Hello young innovators. Today we are diving into the world of robotics with a giant wheel. Do you know a giant wheel? Have you ever experienced the thrill of watching it spin high up in an amusement park? Well, this is our main model of a giant wheel. I'm going to show you how it works and a little robotics magic. This project is perfect for enhancing creativity, problem solving, and hands-on skills. Let us take a closer look at its parts. The wheel. Now, the wheel is the big circle that spins. The big circle that spins, just like the one you see in real life, is the main part that gives the giant wheel its name. Secondly, we have the support frame. Now, the support frame is this structure that holds the wheel upright, and it makes sure the wheel stays balanced and spins smoothly. The motor. Here, this is the motor, and here is where the magic happens. The motor is attached to the wheel, just like you can see here. And it makes it spin. Without the motor, our giant wheel would just stand still. Then we have the battery pack. The battery pack powers the motor. You can use small batteries to make the wheel move, showing how electricity can be used to make machines work. Then we have the axle and connectors. The axle and connectors. These are the small rods and parts that join the wheel, the motor, and frame. The one you can see, the black one, extends from the casing where we have the gears. We have the white gears that are moved by the spinning motor that will in turn rotate the axle that will then make the giant wheel move. So they make sure the wheel spins evenly without wobbling. When we connect the batteries, electricity flows to the motor through this white cable here. And the motor, this is the motor, rotates the gears. The gears, like you can see in the casing here, the white gears. Yes, hope you can see that. So the motor rotates the gears that will in turn rotate the wheel. Just like you can see in this demonstration. You can see what's happening. So it's a simple but powerful demonstration of mechanics and electrical energy working together. Just like we are always encouraged to explore through hands-on learning. So young innovators, this is not just a toy. It's a learning tool that helps you understand machines, energy, and creativity. If you want to learn how to build your own model at home, follow me for more breathtaking robotics creations.